sikip din.
Strategy. Si asawa kasi parang
Sobrang naman ate pagkalagay ko. Nakapag-selfie na ba kayo here?
baka bigyan naman tayo ng pogi doon.
Baka naman, no?
Oo nga.
Ang mima ko. Oh, pak. Joke. Mamatahin namin kayo kahit wala kaming pera. Sabi nino? Ang tropa ko. Sa tatay ko reto kita.
Picture muna tayo dito. Ito. Ano ito?
Yung ikaw picture ka makikita.
Hindi na magkita. Mami, hindi halata. Kasi naaano ng damit mo. Yarn. Oo. Pa-committee. Girl. Hindi kakain. Hindi po kami kakain. Pa. Paglipad.
Tangino.
Basta yun na yun.
Huyo. Hindi man halata rin ako. 2, 3. Video to ah. Ligo. Na. I-apat na order, Charis. Ay, meron pa rin. House na Kulawa. Kasi dahil ang restaurant, hindi nila inaano.
Every time talaga nakakatikim ako ng talong, binataan.
Lagi ko naalala yung Korea. Kumakain naman ako pero parang feel ko siyang kainin pag nasa swimming.
May chai. Chai. Chicken asparagus. Crab and prawns.
Tapos yung kare-kare.
Kare-kare? Tsaka kare-kare? Afraid naman. Or yung mga ganitong ano, mas maganda dito man yung lights. Dito ka na. Dito ka na. Dito. Dito. Tapos cross mo. Putahin kinain tatlo. Pinitang pinag-usapan. Go.
Kaya na eh.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Sinigang.
Looks like a cinnamon roll could kill you. Looks like they could kill you is a cinnamon roll. Looks like a cinnamon roll is a cinnamon roll. Looks like could kill you.
When you're close to me.
Tsaka nag-ano, no?
Oo, sain talaga.
Pagkatas ng training.
Basta naman talaga.
Ay, ito na yung dali mag-picture.
Di pa tapos ang rampa.
Telling that I'm the sleaze, they telling me, okay, prove it. I lady bitches on red, so now they know that they do it. I tell them I'm moving units, my videos, they gon' do it. But if I ain't got a lie, they do be screaming at my I get bitches that
Ay, di mami, meron akong walk.
Ano ka?
forget that, but I'm over it. I hope she getting better sex. Hope she ain't picking it like I did, baby. It's not take long as I call it quits. Forget that, but I'm over it. Fuck you, ano? Guess I should say thank you for the hate yous and the tattoos. Oh, baby, I'm cool, by the way. And sure, I love you anyway. Go ahead, baby.
Mima.
Mga Mima.
Laki ko eh.
Okay, check.
Ito naman. Ay, di. Wala nga nang din nasa. Ito.
I said certified freak, 7 days a week, wet ass pussy, make that put out game weak. Hey, 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 hey. She's fucking with some wet ass pussy. Bring a bucket and a mop. This some wet ass pussy. Give me everything you got. This some wet ass pussy. Beat it up, nigga, get your charge. Extra hard and extra hard. Put this pussy right in your face. Suck your nose, take a credit card. Hop on top. I do a giggle. What's this inside? Spit in my mouth. Look in my eyes. Pussy is wet.
Nanginginang. Ito talaga yung mami technique. Sabi ko kay mami, buti kasi pa si mami mo, akin na to isang pumot. Ano pumot? Yung isa ako nag-date.